Need your PC to always keep the same IP address? Whether for port forwarding, file sharing, or stable remote access, setting a static IP is essential. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to configure a static IP address in Windows 11, step by step. Step 1. Open Network Settings. Start by clicking the network icon in the bottom right corner, then choose Network and Internet Settings. You'll see all your available network interfaces here. Step 2. Access IPv4 settings. Click on Ethernet. Scroll down to where you have IP assignment and click on Edit on the right-hand side. On the Edit IP Settings dialog box that opens, click on the drop-down menu where you have Automatic, your DHCP, and select Manual. Activate IPv4. Here's where you'll assign the static IP address manually. Step 3. Assign the static IP. Now type in your desired IP, usually something like 192.168.1.100. For subnet mask, type 255.255.255.0. Gateway is your router's IP, often 192.168.1.1. For DNS, use 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 for Google's DNS. Step 4. Apply settings and verify. Click OK. Close all windows. To confirm that it's working, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig. You'll see your new static IP address listed under your adapter. And that's it. You've now set a static IP on your computer. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe to TechTune Hacks for quick tech how-tos every week. Need to reset? Just switch back to Obtain IP Address automatically.